Hey guys, Beardicus here, the One Take Wonder. In this video I'm going to be doing something a little bit different, and that is setting up a template that I can use over and over again with Davinci Resolve 16. Now the reason that I'm doing this is because I used to use templates with Premiere Pro, and that really helped my workflow. So if I can preset up a lot of things inside of Davinci before even going in there, then it's going to save me a lot of time in the future. So I'm doing this right now with you, coming along for the ride. So if it's of interest to you, then definitely stick around. So I'm going to create a new project here. I've actually got a projects folder already. So I will call that template. Hit create. This might open in the other window. Yep, it did. So I'll pull that across. Okay, so the first things first, what I'll do is I'll change the project settings. So we've got that it's there, the frames per second, I've actually changed that to 60 now. That's fine. I want this to be original here, and I just want that to be HQ. I'm not explaining all these that I'm going and doing. It just helps my workflow, and especially helps when, well, I don't get the GPU errors anymore, especially because of these settings. And another thing that I'll do, one of the things that you do is you generate offline media, and that, yeah, really helps with that GPU error. So I've got a cache there set up on my cache drive. I believe image scaling, scale an image. Yep, that's fine. I believe that was all the settings that I needed there. So I'll hit save, and then I'll just check in preferences here. That's set up, memory and GPU, that's set up there, CUDA. Okay, so save, yep. And the other thing that I do is I also put some, I can't do that. Okay, never mind, that's all right. So what I'll do is I'll go File, Save Project, and then I'll close the project, close current timeline. No. Actually, here we go. Go down to home. See, I'm still learning this, as you can see. So there we've got the template file there. So what I do is right click on there, export project with stills and LUTs, especially if you're putting any LUTs or anything like that in there. And I'm going to just save it there as a template at the moment. So hit save. Now, I can delete that, and let me see here. Where's delete? There. Delete. Delete. Okay. And what I can do is I can right click and say import project. There it is there. Open. There's template. So I'll double click on that. And now my settings over here, 60, 60, DNQR. Yep. So they're all saved there. So that's how I'm going to be saving my templates for Davinci from now on. This was only going to be a short video just to show you how I'd set up the template, export it, then get rid of it, and then import it for each one. So I'll create a template folder with all the files ready to go, the folders all set up, so I can just drag and drop things into, and that's going to make my life, especially now that I'm using Davinci Resolve instead of Premiere Pro, a lot easier. So yeah, thanks guys for watching. It wasn't that interesting for some of you out there, but for others, especially if you're getting into Davinci Resolve, this might actually help you. I'll be posting tips and all that sort of thing on different parts of my main TechWizTime channel over here. So make sure you subscribe and like this video. Thanks guys.